Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw arms. I'm going to show you how to draw arms with both shapes and gestures. With shapes, you start with a sphere, then you do this kind of triangular shape but rounded. Then you do this line that shows the part of the biceps, the circular part. Then you use this cone shape of another cone. I'm not sure how to explain it, but that shape right there. And you add another one of those muscles thingies. I'm not sure what the anatomy of the arm is, but you don't need to know the name, you just need to know what it looks like. You use like how I said in another tutorial, use a cube for the palm. What do you call it again? Oh yeah, a sphere for the thumb, and cylinders for the fingers. But you saw I just kind of generalized the shape a bit, but that's okay. And now I'm gonna draw on the fingers to show you. I mean, just might as well just for the look of it, I guess. Kind of messing up because I didn't really draw on the shapes. I just did this weird trapezoid. It's a shape. Gonna raise the guidelines. And there you go. Now for the one of gestures. I'm not the best at this because I'm usually used to drawing the shapes. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll try my best. Try not to use angular. I mean, you can use angular lines for gestures, but that's not really a good example, is it? I have a tendency of using angular lines. Fix it later. Let's get on to the tutorial with me. Okay, so I'm doing a normal looking arm, not muscular. Drew that part on a little too long. It's alright. Doing that shape again, but less, more low key. Yeah, gotta forget about the hands for now. And you see, you do this pattern, or these lines. I don't know how to explain it, but you see it. Then I'm gonna use the green color to show the other gestures I use. And you kind of use this interlocking lines to draw arms. I use this when I'm trying to draw quickly. Okay, now we're gonna do the anorexic / thin arms. And whatever that part of the arm is a lot smaller than the shoulder, so you need it because it's bony, So you need to emphasize that shape, but even more low key. I kind of made that other, I'm not sure what to call it. I guess you should learn the anatomy when you try to do tutorials, shouldn't you? But that longer part of the arm is too on the normal one with gestures. And I drew too much muscle on this arm. It's not anorexic. I mean, a thin person doesn't necessarily have to be an anorexic. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna use gestures to draw fingers. I wouldn't recommend this though, it's kinda hard, in my opinion. Unless I generate the shapes a bit, then draw them in later. I see I'm having a bit of an issue with doing this. Yeah, it's good enough. I mean, drawing gestures tend to make your drawings a little bit more expressive and less stuff, you know. Yeah, so I would recommend learning how to draw gestures. I'm gonna speed through this for the sake of the time. And I already showed you how to draw fingers, and then just drawing in the same pose too, so there's no point of not speeding this up. Okay, so we're gonna show them the arms flexed, because that's, you know, important after I do this. Okay. Alright. Sorry, I'm being a perfectionist, but I just can't help it. We're gonna draw the hands, again we're gonna draw the arms flexed. I need to show you something, otherwise I wouldn't be doing this. Okay, start with a sphere as usual, and for muscular, what am I doing? For, my bad, you gotta flex the arm, and this is by stretching or like squishing the shape of the rounded triangle. Then you'd use that shape again, like I showed you. I'm not sure what it's called. And then you draw the fingers. My bad. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't really see the gum from that view, so let's just skip that. And now we're gonna do the normal. Actually, no gestures. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna do the gestures now. Again, I suck at this. I'm usually used to drawing shapes because I find it more efficient. Not efficient, but more like easy, I guess. Bear with me here. Okay. You see, you squish the arm and the gestures as well. You squish the biceps. Finally, I actually know the name of something. The triceps are going to be stretched, by the way. But yeah, so they're going to be like more of a straight line than usual. If they were like not stretched. Yeah, shapes. It's only the normal arm is gonna have more muscle than usual. That's because you're flexing. Okay. Shape could be a little hard to draw, so make sure you practice flipping it and rotating it, and just know what it looks like, no matter what. Gestures. Okay, so I'm just trying to like complete my guide sheet, cheat sheet, whatever you want to call it, and highlighting the muscles, show how they flex. Now I'm going to take time to change my advertise my comic. It's not made yet. Dang it, I don't even know I'm advertising, but I love you support. And just support by knowing about it, I guess. I just decided to get rid of the legs. It's to be too distracting from the actual tutorial, but this character is from a comic that I'm planning on making called Clouds vs. Stars. So basically it's about these two goddesses that are at war with each other. The night goddess and the day goddess. There's this species of like not aliens but like inhabitants of Earth called Cloudettes, and they're pretty much the clouds in the title, and there's the Starettes, which are the stars in the title. The stars usually work for the moon goddess, while the clouds work for the day goddess. The tutorial is pretty much done now, but if you want to see me like finish this, you go ahead.